Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a party prep, and this is for my sister's engagement party. The theme that we did was on Cloud 9. But before we get started, if you like these kinds of videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So the first thing that I started working on for the party was working on the cake. I started this a few days ahead of time, and what you see me doing here is making white chocolate clouds with a silicone mold that I bought off of Amazon. I used these to decorate the cake, and my theme was kind of going for like a cloud scene, so the sky. And when I make cakes, I always make my icing from scratch. So I always do a buttercream, and then I just use box mix for the cakes. That just works best for me. I feel like the homemade buttercream is so much easier to pipe and to decorate with. And for the filling of this cake, I did a white chocolate strawberry. So I just did a box mix of white chocolate pudding and then canned like strawberry filling, like what you would use for pies. I did make this cake kind of tall, and I finally did invest in some cake tools to smooth it out. And here you see me starting to actually decorate. So this was the day before the party. So I was kind of happy with how this turned out. I do feel like it kind of looked like, the sky and clouds. And then I bought these fancy sprinkles, I think off of Amazon. You'll see, I took off those cloud sprinkles. I really just didn't like how they looked, but I just feel like I'm always so hard on myself with decorating my cakes. But I think in the end that it turned out pretty good. And there you can see me putting on those white chocolate clouds. So then a little bit when I show you more of the party setup, you'll see the finished product of the cake. So the next step that we started to do was one of the main focal points of the party, and that was decorating the fireplace. I found these little like curtain twinkle lights at Aldi for actually I think like $4.99, like super affordable. And we did a lot of this polyfill with this fake baby's breath tucked in, which I feel like was the perfect decoration for this theme. It really looked like ethereal, like fluffy white clouds everywhere. And we found the polyfill for like a huge 5-pound box for $25 on Amazon. And then my sister Catherine, who you also see in this video, this was at her home, and she got those clouds off of Etsy, I believe. We also set the tables or did the centerpieces the day before. So again, you see us using that polyfill with this fake baby's breath tucked in, little sprigs everywhere. We also did these floating candles, and these were really cool. Catherine found these floating candles that were fake that just lit up when you did put them in the water. So we felt like that was a lot easier and a lot safer. Now you see us starting to set up the bar. We did a sangria bar, a red and a white sangria with some different add-ins like fruits, things like that. You'll also see a little bit later, I found these really cool like recess drinks. They were canned drinks, but they had clouds on the packaging, which I thought was absolutely perfect. So they were a treat, but also added to the decor. Personally, for me, I feel like a must-have for parties is balloon arches, and I found this kit on Etsy. It was like cream and white balloons, and it really did, I feel like, look like a big cloud. This was right when you walked in the foyer, and again, I tucked in those baby breath pieces, so I love how that turned out. And that was right above where we had our welcome drink little section. So now this is the morning of the party. So you see the champagne glasses set up for the welcome drink with the tufts of cotton candy on top. I thought it was absolutely perfect for the theme. And then that welcome drink sign I did actually make in Canva, and that will be available in my Etsy shop. And here is a better view of the fireplace setup. So you can see throughout the party we had pictures of their engagement photos framed and put all around as decor. And again, we did use those floating candles here as well. And here are the centerpieces. So we had these 2 tables set up for people to eat at, and you'll also see the confetti that is personalized with their names and says engaged with the clouds. Catherine actually made those herself with her Cricut. I I also made this sign for the cards and gifts. That box we found at Home Goods, that little cloud that was light up is actually from the Dollar Tree. And then you'll see the coffee table as well as the kitchen table. We did kind of a similar setup with some of the engagement photos, the polyfill, and the baby's breath with the floating candles. So here's the overview of the appetizers that we had. I made these little individual cheese balls that you picked up with the pretzel stick. I loved how those came out. For the main meal, we did lasagna and salad and garlic bread. It's good to do a combination of pre-purchasing things and making some. Don't make it too hard on yourself. Next here, you'll see the bar. Those are those cloud drinks by Recess. I love those. I think those look so pretty. These neon cloud signs I got from Amazon. They were the perfect touch. My mom got personalized napkins from Oriental Trading Co. So we loved those. And then she also got, you'll see, water bottle labels. These straws I got from Etsy, and that cup is from Home Goods. And again, I made that sangria bar sign on Canva, so that'll be on my Etsy shop as well. There you can see the personalized water bottle labels. And now you can see the cake all set up here. That topper is from Etsy, and this was probably my favorite decoration, this floating cloud that actually lit up. You could change the color of it. That was just a random find at TJ Maxx, but I love it. And overall, I am kind of happy with how the cake turned out. Now this is their basement setup, and my brother-in-law Justin actually finished their basement himself and built a bar down there. It looks amazing. He also built these bar top tables, which we decorated the same way. Added another neon sign, the straws, the frame photo, of course more of the personalized napkins and confetti. And here you'll see the beautiful bride herself, so thank you to Elizabeth for helping with filming. I made these desserts, these little cheesecake cups that were topped with the extra cotton candy. And thank you so much to Nate, the groom. His family actually provided all of these amazing desserts. I did want to include some actual clips from the party. So here you see the groom's family. I think it was like his mom, aunt, and his sisters gave them jewelry, which was really beautiful and really special. And then in a moment here, you will see us doing our family tradition. My dad will be doing a toast with them.
Another tradition we have is in our family, when the bride and groom to be toast, they toast from this cup. That's one of our traditions. And the cup represents love, good luck, and faithfulness. That's nice. No hands. No hands.
Did you guys practice or no? They practice.
They practice. My hands and I can't spill. Yeah, exactly. Who is the first one up?
Oh, who's the first one? I couldn't hear it.
The first one up in the morning.
Specify the question. Weekends or not?
How early are they waking up is the question.
Who is grumpier in the morning?
Alpha grumpy.
That's been since high school. We know that. We'll let you know if you're wrong.
To get ready.
You're back 1,000.
Who said I love you first?
Oh! That's hot!
I don't get this game.
Teach him.
Yeah!
Who has the
Floss Jr.
That doesn't count as school from Michigan.
What? Who doesn't know stuff?
Wait, say, what's the question?
I feel like that should be an 8 though.
They're both
Who
clean.
is the better girl?
Chase. Better.
Oh.
Too slow. Chase, come here.
Who is the messy one?
Liz. I was gonna say that
But who cleans more?
They're the sink.
You guys know each other? Who holds their liquor better?
too. Liz.
Who's have better taste in It's interesting that you said.
Yeah.
He agrees. Who walks the dog more often?
Liz.
Nathan do
You do a lot, girl. You do a lot.
Fuck, bro.
Who is more likely to run a red light?
That's healthy right there.
Who spends the most money? Who is the first one to say I'm sorry?
We love that.
Who is in control of the remote control?
That's not supposed to happen.
Alright, who is the quiet one?
Oh.
This is the loud one.
Oh, that's funny.
What's the situation?
Who is more stubborn? Who refuses to throw things away? That's all.
Hey, you got that from our side of the family, bro. Good luck.
Alright, who is a better singer?
I should tell her good luck.
I have a question.
Oh my god. Drop the lows, girl.
That's my situation, by the way.
Right.
Come on, Nate.
You know the answer. Neither one is chosen. Come on, Liz.
Alright, who is the better driver?
Go hit the ceiling. Calm down, bro. You're not that good.
Who is the bigger baby when they're sick?
No, it always is.
All right. What's that family? What happens?
Who do you love most in the whole wide world?
What?
And here they are cutting the cake. So I want to say thank you to my mom and my sister Catherine for hosting the party at her home. But me, my mom, and Catherine did put the party together, and I think it turned out amazing. And of course, I want to say congratulations to Elizabeth and Nate. We love you guys so much, and Nate, we can't wait to have you as officially a member of our family come April. Well, that's going to be it for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will be having another party planning video coming soon about Luke's first birthday party. The theme is One Happy Dude, so make sure you look out for that one. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that I see you in the next one, and make sure you subscribe for more videos to come.